Okie dokie, I'll keep it low key like Thor, lil' bro, or he'll go blow the loudy. Salty if sour.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Leah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my hair in a long braided hairstyle. So let's just hop right into it. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel. This gel is anti-itch and it has protein in it and will keep your hair long lasting. Then I'm going to take a brush and just make sure that that section right there is all nicely slicked back. Then I'm going to take a comb and just comb down my baby hairs so that when I'm ready to style them in the end, it will be right there for me and I don't have to pull it out of the ponytail. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, applying the Eco Styler gel, making sure that section is nice and smooth. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to use this hair tie to secure my hair and tie it about 3 times before moving on to the shine and jam. So what I do here is I take the shine and jam and I just apply it on top of the Eco Styler gel just to make sure that the hair is nicely smooth and that there is little to no frizz or flyaways. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to take the smoother side of the bristle brush and smooth out my hair, make sure that there is little to no frizz or flyaways here. Now I'm going to take that same hair tie and just secure the style and make sure everything is smooth and right. Right now I'm going to be focusing on my edges before I move on to the next part of this hairstyle. I always have a tough time doing my edges, so bear with me. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just gonna take a pack of Expression. I believe I used 1 or 1B, and I'm playing around right now. But I am going to use a hair tie to tie the hair itself, and then tie the hair onto my ponytail, and it's gonna look like this. So right now I am separating my hair into 3 sections, getting it ready to be braided. So right now I'm just getting the braid started, trying to feel it out to make sure that it's nice and neat. I'm just gonna continue to braid the rest of the hair, braiding down, braid and braid and braid and braid and braid until I reach the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to take an extra piece that I left out, and this is just going to be used to wrap the elastic that I used, well, the hair tie that I used. I had a tough time, so I did end up going to the washroom to use the mirror there to finish using it, but there it is. That's how it looks in the end. And yeah, that's the end of the video. If you do like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.